For 5 years, it didn't exist. No name, no image, no confirmation. And yet, while the world was watching the skies, America was building something no one could see coming. A fighter jet faster than Mach 2. A machine that can strike deep into enemy territory without refueling. A command center in the sky, controlling deadly drone swarms like a battlefield general. Then on March 21st, 2025, everything changed. The President of the United States stepped into the Oval Office and revealed it to the world. This is the F-47, America's first 6th-generation fighter jet. And today, we're breaking down 7 reasons why this could be the most dangerous aircraft ever created. Stay with us, because reason number 4 will completely change how you think about fighter jets. Welcome to the channel, where we uncover the technology, strategy, and stories behind the most powerful machines ever built. This isn't just another aircraft. The F-47 is one of the most secretive and ambitious military projects in history. Built using classified tech, tested in silence, and designed for one purpose: total air dominance. But here's something most people don't realize. The US isn't alone. China is developing its own 6th-generation fighter, the J-36. And this isn't just innovation, it's a race that could define the future of global air power. Let's start with what makes the F-47 truly terrifying: stealth. You've heard of stealth before. Jets like the F-22 and F-35 changed the game. But the F-47? It takes stealth to another level entirely. Instead of just deflecting radar, it absorbs it. Imagine radar waves hitting the aircraft and simply disappearing. No bounce back, no signal, no warning. To enemy systems, this jet could look like something as harmless as a bird, except that bird is flying at twice the speed of sound, and by the time it's detected, it's already too late. Stealth is powerful, but only if you can reach your target, and that's where the F-47 dominates. Its combat range exceeds 1,000 nautical miles, nearly double that of older fighters. This means it can take off, strike deep into enemy territory, return safely without refueling. Why does that matter? Because in modern warfare, refueling aircraft are vulnerable. Remove that dependency, and you remove a major risk. The F-47 doesn't just fly farther, it operates where others can't. Now, this is where things get futuristic. The F-47 isn't just a jet, it's a battlefield command center. Flying alongside it are advanced drones, called Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA. And the pilot? He doesn't just fly the jet. He controls the entire swarm, sends drones ahead to scout, uses them as decoys, assigns them to attack targets, collects intelligence in real time. It's like a quarterback calling plays, but at 40,000 feet and Mach 2. This isn't one aircraft in combat, it's an entire team in the sky. Every legendary aircraft is defined by its engine, and the F-47's engine might be the most revolutionary yet. It's called adaptive propulsion. Unlike traditional engines, it can switch modes. Efficiency mode conserves fuel, extends range. Combat mode unleashes maximum thrust and speed. It's like having 2 engines in one, efficient when cruising, brutal when fighting. This is how the F-47 achieves both. Long-range extreme speed without compromise. Here's something almost unbelievable. The F-47 was built digitally before it was built physically. Using something called a digital twin, engineers created a perfect virtual model of the aircraft. They tested everything: aerodynamics, stealth performance, combat scenarios. All before the first real part was made. At the same time, secret prototype aircraft were already flying, testing these technologies in the real world. So when production officially started, they weren't guessing anymore. They were ready. In modern air combat, the pilot who sees first wins. The F-47 takes this to a whole new level. It combines data from satellites, other aircraft ground systems, its own sensors, and processes it using artificial intelligence. The result? A complete real-time battlefield picture. The pilot doesn't just see his target, he sees everything, and he can direct drones share data with allies, coordinate attacks instantly. This jet isn't just flying missions. It's managing the war in the sky. Every great fighter jet is built for a specific threat. The F-47 was designed with one scenario in mind: a future conflict in the Indo-Pacific against advanced adversaries, including China's next-gen fighters. China's J-36 is already in development, and it could enter service around the same time. That means this isn't just innovation, it's competition at the highest level. The F-47 exists because staying ahead isn't optional, it's necessary. The F-47 isn't just another aircraft, it's a message that the future of air combat has already begun. A machine built on stealth speed, intelligence, team-based warfare, and the most advanced technology ever put into a fighter jet. It hasn't even flown publicly yet, and it's already changing the balance of power in the sky. From its first flight to full deployment, this is a story that's just beginning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you trust AI to help control a fighter jet? We'll see you in the next one.